everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is ILINCA again, and of course no makeup today. As you can see, I'm wearing green, almost green bluish nails, so I am in the mood for Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, let's just jump right into it and start priming the face, foundation. This is what the colors look like. This is what we're gonna use today. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match LUMI GLOTION. I love this because it's so luminous and it has this nice luminous glow to it. Luminous. How many times can I say that? There you go. Let's prime. So refreshing. I have dry skin, so I really love this primer. It's from the drugstore. And since we're doing Huda Beauty palette, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty foundation. I forgot the name of it. So I'm just gonna use a tiny little bit because this is full coverage and you only need to use a little bit for your face. So let's go ahead. Oh, look, my fairy is green too. Let's go ahead and put it on. Of course, you know my RIMMEL Match Perfection 2-in-1 concealer. Just too much is popping out on the eye. We are gonna go use my favorite TATI Beauty Blendiful, and I am going to use I can't find my there it is, my translucent loose setting powder by MERCIER. I'm just gonna dab in here and set the primer on my eyelids. Oh, this is so soft. It's like a little cute pillow for my eyes and face. And underneath, okay, let's look close up. I'm gonna be using the Morphe M441 brush right here. I'm gonna be dipping into this color, this mint color right here. Ice mint. And we're gonna just so I'll be using this Morphe brush right here and dipping it into this color right here. And we're gonna use that on the outside corner. Let's see. I will take this drugstore brush. It has this pointy side, and I am going to dip in to this color first. My bottom eyelid. I'll put it right at the bottom eyelid. Give it some color right here. Where's the blending? This one. The MAC 224. Give it all nice. This color right here. This sparkly one. You see? And put it in the middle towards the dark shade that goes out the outer corner of the eye. Okay? Just like that. And then we'll do the same thing for the other eye. You want to make sure that they all blend together. Okay, clean your fingers, and we're gonna grab this nice gold right here. Oh, look how pigmented this is. Look at this. Love it. And put it in the inner corner of the eye. You see? Inner corner. Perfect. And I'm gonna dip into, let's dip into this one. Oopsies, right here. And use it on the bottom eyelid. Favorite mascara, the COL-LAB, in the shape, in the color, in the shape, black brown. Okay. Okay, let's put this on. If I ever have to put eye drops in, I freak out. I can't do it myself. I cannot let anyone else do it for me. When I go to the eye doctor, and if they ever have to put drops, it just freaks me out. I have something about my eyes that I can't stand anyone touching them or putting stuff in them. Thank God I don't have to wear contacts, because I don't know what I would have to do. I'll probably have to wear just glasses, because I will not be able to ever put anything inside the eye. And now we're gonna go with, let's use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, Anastasia Soare, for the bronzer. Let's draw a beard look-alike line. 1, 2, 3. This is in this cappuccino type of color. You see? Okay, and I'm gonna use the sponge blender and kind of like blend it in, moving upwards in a dabbing motion like this. There you go. And we're gonna use, let's use this, the NYX Professional Makeup Sweet Cheeks palette. And it comes with 8 shades. Let's open it. There you go. There you go, you see? It's So let's see, we're gonna go with this shade right here. So I'm gonna use the MAC 129 brush, dip in the shade. Now, I am going to go with the MILANI highlighting palette. There you go. And we're gonna be using this. Look at this. Look at this nice highlighting palette. So I'm gonna use my favorite, the e.l.f. highlighting brush. I'm gonna dip in it. Ooh. Oh, oh. Use so much. Holy smokes, use too much there. It's okay, you can never use too much highlighter. And let's just blend it in more. Oh my goodness. I can be seen from space now. I'm so shiny. Like a star. Okay, you see? Perfect. Very nice. Now again, we can set it with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Setting Spray. Shake it and spray it. Oh, cold. Okay, we let it dry. And let's see here. The JLo Collection exclusive Jennifer's Nude in 370. Looks like this. We're gonna put some lip liner, the MILANI 04 color. Okay. And we are going to color it all in. That will be the lipstick. Stay longer throughout the day. Let's go ahead. And there you have it. All done. Today we use this beautiful Huda Beauty Obsession Emerald palette. I love it. Look at this. Colors, all matching. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I really hope you enjoy my video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will continue making these videos. I have a lot more palettes to show you guys. So, and a Sephora haul with a brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So yeah, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, love you guys.